Bluetooth speakers are gaining more and more popularity nowadays since they are easy to use, portable, and can sound as good as bulky traditional speakers. They come in different shape and sizes. Some are light and small, some are big and heavy. The prices range from a few dollars to a few $1,000s. One notable brand of these Bluetooth speakers is JBL. They are well known for their high quality speakers and headphones. They make Bluetooth speakers of all shapes and sizes, ranging from the smallest, like the JBL Go, to the biggest, like the JBL Party Box. Here, I have the JBL Flip 4. It's quite small and portable, yet it still sounds very good. It costed me $60, which you might say is quite cheap. But for many people in Thailand, like me, $60 is a lot of money, and not everyone is willing to pay that much for a Bluetooth speaker. Luckily, there are alternative models from other brands you can buy for way less. I bought this one online for $4. Yes, $4, including shipping. The TG117 is built out of plastic and has a fabric mesh over the speaker drivers, mimicking the look of the JBL Flip. Weighing only 339 grams, it's significantly lighter than the 523-gram JBL Flip 4. On the back, it has a power button, volume control, mode selector, and if you lift up this silicone flap, you can see the aux, USB, SD card, and charging slot. This is quite a lot of connectivity for such a small and cheap speaker. There are two 40mm speaker drivers under the fabric. Although I don't really believe the claim that they are 5 watts each. I would estimate that these would be around 2 to 3 watts, as the amplifier behind here is probably tiny. Connecting to Bluetooth is simple. You just switch it on, then you find it on your phone.
Bluetooth mode.
Then when you find it on your phone, you just simply press TG117 and it connects instantly. Now comes the very important part of any speaker, the sound. The TG117 will sound nowhere near as good as the JBL Flip 4. The JBL Flip 4 also has two 40mm speaker drivers, but they are 8 watts each, so they are way more powerful than the 2 to 3 watts on the TG117. But you can't really determine how good a speaker sounds just from reading specs. The JBL is going to be louder than the TG117 because it has more watts. So I'm going to be playing the JBL at 50% volume while playing the TG117 at 80% volume. I recommend getting a good pair of headphones for this part so you can notice the difference. As you can hear from the test, the JBL Flip 4 has a way better frequency response and is way louder than the TG117, but that is to be expected from such a price difference. I would say that the JBL Flip 4 is a very good Bluetooth speaker if you don't mind paying a lot of money for it. But for $4, the TG117 delivers a surprisingly clear mid-high sound, perfect for casual outdoor use if you don't mind sound quality. It might not be as loud as the JBL Flip 4, but it's certainly not quiet at all if you set it to max volume. All in all, you can't really complain about the TG117. It's only $4. You can't even get a McDonald's burger for that money. I'd say if you want something to play with, sure, go get one of these. Just don't expect it to sound as good as the more expensive ones. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a like. A sub would be well appreciated. And make sure to turn notifications on so you won't miss the latest high quality, honest reviews from me. See you next time!